Well, I am at a house in Lochbuie. This is a house that we're doing a fix and list deal on. Not a lot of fix, more just getting it ready to sell. So what we did in this property is we gave some upfront cash to the homeowner so that they could move out because they had a lot of equity. So we unlocked some of that cash so they could get moved. And then we just threw all their stuff away. See, that dumpster's full of a bunch of stuff and weeds. We just emptied out the house and we did a deep clean. So we didn't fix, you know, where the walls tore apart here, the floors apart. We didn't spend the money to gut all this because it just didn't make a whole lot of sense. We spent $2,500 on labor to clean and the dumpster fees to just get it all ready to list. And then we gave the homeowner a big chunk up front so they could move and get on with their lives. Now the reason being is in this particular case, this house is worth as is about $200,000. It cost about $65,000 in labor and material to make it worth about $250,000. So, you know, spending $65,000 to improve the value by $50,000 doesn't make a lot of sense, right? Because we're in a town, in a neighborhood where there's a lot of rundown houses and the comps just don't support a high value, even if the houses are all fixed up. So when you get a property like this, it's best to sell it as is. The demand is there for fixer-uppers. You know, if someone's handy and they want to be able to buy a house and put the time and effort in themselves to make it worth more, you know, if someone could buy this at $200,000, they could spend $25,000 on materials, they could put all the sweat equity in themselves. They could get this place, you know, fix the siding themselves, put in new flooring themselves, get a new kitchen, do it all themselves, and they'll be into it $225,000 and they'll have a house worth $250,000. So that's what needs to happen with this property, and we're helping facilitate that happening. So I would say I'll show you this again when it's all done, but this is the all done. As hard as that is to understand. Yeah, this is the repaired condition. I'll show you the backyard quick. So there was a lot of trash back here. We threw everything we could away. We filled up that dumpster. There was a trampoline back here and just a mountain of stuff that is now gone. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.